Your planer is equipped with a blower fan that assists with the exhaust of the wood shavings. The fan is attached to the motor and is surrounded by the fan housing. The fan is made of plastic and can be damaged by a large wood chip or a knot that comes free from the workpiece. Replacing the fan is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the planer. It's secured with 4 screws. I can use the wrench that came with the planer for replacing the knives to remove these screws. Now I have access to the dust shroud, and I can go ahead and remove it. It's secured with the 3 red knobs. Once the knobs are removed, I lift the shroud slightly and then just pull it to the side. Now I remove the adapter from the blower housing. To do that, I push in on the spring-loaded pin with a screwdriver and then rotate the adapter. Now I can remove the first half of the blower housing. It's secured with 2 screws and 3 locking clips. First, I'll remove the screws. I can use the wrench that came with the planer to remove the knives to do this. Now I'll unlock each of the 3 clips. I can just use my finger to pull them back. The other 2 are up on the underside of the housing. They'll be difficult to see in the video, but you release them the same way. With the clips removed, now I can pull the first half of the housing away from the planer. Now I can remove the fan. I'll lock the fan in place by inserting a screwdriver through the fan blades, and then I use a socket wrench to remove the nut. With the nut removed, now the fan will just slide off the motor shaft. Now I can install the new fan. I'll align the fan with the motor shaft. The fan slides onto the shaft, and now I'll secure it with the washer and the nut. Again, I'll insert a screwdriver through the blades of the fan as I tighten the nut. I want to be careful here not to over tighten the nut so much that I end up damaging the blades on the fan. And now I can install the outer portion of the fan housing. I'll align the 2 halves of the housing and then lock the 3 clips. And now I'll install the 2 screws. Now I can reinstall the dust shroud. I'll align the mark that indicates that the shroud is open with the mark on the blower housing. Then I just push the shroud into the blower housing and rotate it down. And now I'll secure it with the 3 red knobs. Now I'll reinstall the adapter. I'll place the adapter over the lock pin and push it in as I align the adapter with the housing. Then I'll rotate it around so the lock on the opposite side aligns with the pin and rotate the adapter into place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. And now you know how to install a new fan in your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.